Pettmans air raid shelter. There you go. Yeah. That's a bit slippery. She's only a small one, but she's good. That's the old seating area. Like I said, it's only a small one. I think it's from World War One. I don't know where this would have gone though. Probably another entrance in from the building. There's the way up. All of those footprints all the way up there. Yeah, it's only a small one, but it's a goodie. Good bit of local history. There she is. Yeah, it's sitting there where the bombs used to go down.
It's a small one.
Yeah, we'll probably seat about a dozen people, 6 each side. Anyway, thanks for looking.